this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase wallet to Kraken. From our Coinbase wallet home tab, we're going to click on the portfolio section at the bottom right. And here we're going to click on Solana. Right now we scroll down and then we click on send. And here you're going to enter the amount that you want to send. And you need to make a minimum of 0.01 Solana in order to transfer everything. So go ahead and click on an amount that is above that after you click on next. And here you're going to enter the address of your Kraken wallet. So for this, we're going over to our Kraken app. From our Kraken tab, we're going to click on the purple button down below. And in here, we're going to click on deposit. Search for Solana in the search bar. Click on I understand and copy the address from here and paste it into the Coinbase wallet. Go ahead and paste it in here. Click on confirm down below. First, you need to verify the full address, so click on yes, looks good. And at the bottom right, click on confirm to finalize this transfer. And as you can see, our Solana is successfully sent, so go ahead and click on done. And now we can go back to our Kraken app to see if our balance is updated. So we can see that the Solana is added to my Kraken wallet and my balance is updated. So please be sure that you are on the right network. So you need to be sure that your Solana network from Coinbase wallet and Kraken are matching and that you have the right wallet address inserted, and then everything should be fine. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.